Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix wallpaper not working on iPhone iOS 17. So how to fix this issue? So I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. Let's start the video. So first of all, you have restart the iPhone. So how to restart the iPhone? Volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button. When you see appears an Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed. 5 to 10 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed. If their first solution is not working, their second solution, you have changed the region. So how to change region on iPhone? So you have again open the setting, and then you have click on general, and then scroll up, then you have click on language and region, and then you have click on region, and then you have select any country on your iPhone. So you want any country, and then you have select done, and then your problem fix. If the third solution, you have update iOS version. So how to update the version on iPhone? So you have again open the setting, and then you have click on general, and then you have click on software update, and then you have checked the iPhone iOS version is update available, and then you have installed on your iPhone. And then last solution, you have again open the setting, and then you have click on general, and then you have scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset iPhone, then you have click on reset, and then you have click on reset all setting, and then iPhone is giving a passcode, and then your problem will be fixed, and then reset all setting of iPhone. Do not lose any data, photos or video your iPhone, only reset the setting on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know if you have any problem. So please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.